Okay, so guys, here basically you can see as you guys can see, we're about to start this process. The exhaust, pardon me. So the exhaust itself is it's a little bit clean. You just need to dust it off. So basically we're going to do this. Fresh clean towel, as you can see. We're just basically going to give it a little bit of a wipe down.
Who's this? Yo.
Yo, what's the word, gang?
Shit, I'm in the store car right now. Where you at?
Let me pull up.
Alright, bet, pull up.
Hey.
Yeah, I know it. My time coming soon. I'm just a shorty from the low end. Had to learn to hustle with a sip, I got it going. Took off on these niggas like a mic, you know I'm scoring. They weren't fucking with us, man, they true colors were showing. Now they want a piece of all this money that we blowing. We ain't doing none of that whole shit, we ain't for it. We stick to the code, unlike you niggas, we ain't folding. Way more shit to come, this just a start, I'ma keep going. Chasing that big house on my OG, man, she deserve it. All that shit she went through just for me, I can't ignore it. For how I'm really blessed, I'm finna make sure that she know it. Finna cop that track, I got the line, I'm finna floor it. 12 can't even catch me if they try, you know I'm going. Riding through the city, smoking loud, we by the ocean. And my diamond VVs, yeah, they dancing in slow motion. Yeah, you know I own it, but I drive it like it's stolen. That nigga was talking, so we pulled up, left him frozen. I see through that nigga, man, he softer than some lotion. Pull up in a foreign, yeah, you know your bitch, she going. Russ be steady rolling, and you know that he be towing. Yeah, you know that he be towing. My time coming soon, I'm just a shorty from the low end. Had to learn to hustle with a sip, I got it going. Took off on these niggas like a mic, you know I'm scoring. Yeah, you know I'm fucking scoring. I cannot go back to the way I was living, yeah, no cat. Since a youngin', I knew if I want it, I gotta go get that, I gotta go earn that. Yeah, you know I won't miss if I hit that. When we pull up, you know better get back. Cause it ain't gonna be none of that chit chat. We pull up, we get to the point, man, what's to that? Can't even see me. Through these tints, you can't even see me. Fix the bourbon that came with some TVs. Rolling up thirsty, on 5 on a woody. Nowhere near where I should be. Gotta grind for this shit, man, you gotta keep pushing. Got no time for no bullshit. If that bitch playing games to the curb, I'ma kick shit. Pushing this way, can't fuck with these niggas is fake. Get out of my way, I'm coming for mine, don't care what it takes. These niggas so lame, head on you the whole time, man, these niggas some snakes. Give it all that it takes, I know it's all worth it at the end of the day. For my mama I pray, that she never lose hope, we gon' see better days. Smoking shit to the face, exotic my wood, can't tell by the taste. I'ma give her a taste, she gon' sip on this cup, she love how it tastes. I'm always with the gang, she trippin', she don't know what the fuck she be saying. She be yelling my name, man, you niggas be shooting but ain't got no aim. Not in this.
Okay, y'all, so I'm loving the freaking results. It looks badass. So I don't know about you guys, but I love it. Stay tuned, we already did 3 coats. We're going for the 4th one in about another 10 minutes. So I think you guys are gonna love the way it looks. I'm gonna give you guys a before. Really, I'm gonna give you guys a little before and after. So you guys can take a look. I got plastic dip all over my camera. If you see little black stuff on the camera, that's probably plastic dip. And I oversprayed all over the place, but that's nothing you can't take that off. You can buff that right off. Literally, it'll rub right off. So stay tuned.
For the fame, tryna chase these blue hunters, take it to the bank.
I cannot fuck with these hoes now. I'm getting this money, I'm getting this cake. Running dope, my bros now. We rolling these woods, cracking the seals. Tell a bro, pour a 4, yeah. I'm moving so fast, press on the pedal. We race to the cash. All these drugs in my system. Hope I don't crash. Brand new AMG coupe. I'm doing the dash. I stay ballin' on these hoes. I feel just like Steve Nash. And my niggas ain't nothing nice. Drip on my body, I'm paying the price. Life's a game, then I'm rolling the dice. Shorty be tweaking, she rolling up voice. Got me be tweaking that deuce in the Sprite. 50 round jump on my Glock. I'm out trapping all day, I ain't pushing the clock. I don't sip liquor, we sipping on walk. Fuck the others, I can't come to my block. Stay with the gang, we come like a flock. SRT zoom in, we pulling off in that hawk. Yeah, we pulling off in that hawk.
I cannot go back to the way I was living, yeah, no cat. Since a youngin', I knew if I want it, I gotta go get there, I gotta go earn that. Yeah, you know I won't miss if I hit that. When we pull up, you know better get back. Cause it ain't gonna be none of that chit chat. We pull up, we get to the point, man, what's to that? I cannot go back to the way I was living, yeah, no cat. Since a youngin', I knew if I want it, I gotta go get there, I gotta go earn that. Yeah, you know I won't miss if I hit that.